Hello everyone. Today we are going to do chapter 2, that's dots and lines. So basically art is a language. So like we learn all the languages, we start with the alphabet set, right? So now let us start with the alphabet set of art as a language. So first put a line on top and write the heading of the lesson, and you should not be using eraser or scale in any of these chapters. Okay, so please do write the heading, that is dots and lines. And today's date. Always try to write the date because it will always keep a record of your own diary. So now draw two lines vertically approximately at the same distance. And again, don't use scale. Let the lines go crooked, it's okay. Okay, now horizontally two lines at the same distance. Do not use scales or rulers. So we've got 9 boxes. By dividing this paper by 2 vertical lines and 2 horizontal lines. Okay, so now there in the first box, let us use, like every language has A or A as the first letter. That is because these are the verbal languages which will depend on the sound. But this art is not just the verbal language, it is a visual language. So when in visuals, we will not come across sound but the visuals. So for any visuals, we will first start with a point, and that is a dot. So in the first box, you will fill the whole box with dots. And just see how the dots are made. You're not going to make it like big dots. It's just a point that you're going to keep, and the whole that box will be filled with dots. Fill it with dots as close as possible, and that you have to complete. Now when you finish the first box, we will move to the next box, and the next box will have the vertical lines from top to bottom. Yeah, in this chapter you should not turn and twist the book. It has to be kept as it is, and vertical lines. Can you see? From the top to the bottom. Do not leave it in the half. Complete it. Yes, do not leave it in the half. Complete it, each and every line. Let it go crooked, but then it has to be vertically made, top to bottom. Yeah, keep going like this. You will complete this box. Okay, very close, as close as possible, as intricate as possible. Okay, go on and on and on. Keep concentrating. Okay, so you have to complete it. Now moving on to the next box. Now the next line would be from left to right, that is horizontal line. Yeah, keep going. Yeah, and try to keep it simple, close to each other. Don't make it too far, and don't let each one touch each other also. Like this. This is horizontal line, the third letter of the alphabet set we are trying to create. And don't make that half lines like this. Try to keep it one go. Let it go crooked, it's okay, you don't have to fear. try to keep it going, no hurry, relax and do it. Okay, now let me move to the fourth box. Yeah, now you're going to make a diagonal line from left bottom to right top, left bottom to right top. Yes, diagonal lines. Keep it closer, keep it closer. Try to keep it more closer. Yes, very good. Like this, we are going to complete this whole box. Yeah, see, the edges have to meet. Keep it closer. Do not twist and turn the book again, I am telling you. Keep it closer and your hands should move. The twist to your wrist is the exercise. Okay, keep doing it till the end. At the end of this video, you will get to see the completed page. So you will have to keep doing this. Okay, now shall we move to the next box, wherein you will have the opposite diagonal lines. Yeah, from right top to left bottom. Try to keep it closer. Yeah, right top to left bottom. Now again, the book is not twisted and turned. The hand only is twisted and turned. It is an exercise for your wrist and firmness. It's okay. You need not use scale and eraser. I'm repeating it. Okay, now let us move to the next box, and here we are going to make crescent lines. Crescent, yes, shape like the moon. Yeah, keep doing it till the end of the box. It should look like crescent only. It should not get flattened. Why I ask you to give it a deep curve in the beginning. Why? Because till the end it has to be looking like crescent, not straight line. If you don't take it deep in the beginning, it will not be deep like the crescent till the end. So like this will go on and on. Okay, now shall we move to the next box? It will be the crescent on the other side. Now we start there. Deep U, deep, yeah, deeper, deeper. Try to cover the lines in between. Don't give it too much of a gap. Yeah, allo, there also, in between the older lines. Yeah, try to cover and make it deeper and closer. Very intricate lines. Try not to touch them to each other. Okay, now let me move to the next line, and that is waves. Now we are making waves. Okay, yeah, repeat it in the same way. It has to be repeated throughout the box. You have to complete it throughout the box. Each time you have to complete it and then move to the next box. Try to take it deeper so that till the end it will remain like waves, or else it will become straight line. So try to keep into the depths and the curves properly so that till the end the whole box will look like curve. See, there the curve did not go in. It has to go in properly. Yeah, let it go in deeper. And here we have left it half in each box, but you have to complete it. Every box should be completed and then move to the next box. Don't make it half. Okay, so now we shall move to the next box, and that will be waves from top to bottom. Yes, like a creeper. And while you are doing these lines, you have to also connect connect these lines to something that you see. Like how we said those are like crescent, the moon or something, or some diagonal lines resemble maybe architectural designs outside, or something like noodles or even creepers. There's so many things, and the dots look like sand, the straight lines look however, you should always be imaginary with the lines. You should be thinking, how does each line look? Okay, so this is how you complete all the boxes with their own forms of lines. Try to make it as neat as possible and intricate as possible. So this is the second chapter, dots and lines. So please complete each and every box with its same pattern of lines. And your dots and lines chapter will be completed. This is a complete work. Complete it well like this, and we will meet in the next chapter. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and press the bell button for more such videos.